Welcome back everyone, I am Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In the previous video, we saw how to create an ECR repository using AWS console, and then we pushed our Docker image onto the ECR repository. So in this video, we'll be walking through how to create an ECR repository using AWS CLI. So without any further delays, let's get started. Let me open up the VS Code and walk through whatever we have achieved till now. So here we created a server.py file, and this is a simple Flask API that we created. Also we created a Docker file for creating our Docker image. Okay, let me open up terminal here. Let's go to browser. Here you can see our previous repository that we created, flask-app, and inside it you can see the image. Let me go to the AWS documentation and copy AWS CLI command for creating a repository. Now before that, let's go to this repository, current repository, and click on view push commands and copy ECR login command. So we go to the terminal, paste it, and hit enter. So once we are logged in, now we can copy this command for creating repository. Copy, and let me open up Notepad, paste this, and change this hello world to something else. Maybe we can call it test repo, whatever you want to, and change the region to US East 1 or any desirable region. So let me paste it here and hit on enter. Okay, so we got back the JSON response. Looks like the repository is created. Let's go to the ECR console, close this, and go back to the repositories. Refresh this, and here you can see test repo is created, and you can see there's no image here as of now. So that is it for this video, guys. If you found this was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, and drop your valuable thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and hit on the notification bell so you never miss out any of our latest updates. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming